Hello everyone, if you're facing this error in Arc Raiders, fatal error, certificate check failed, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Arc Raiders. So first off, you need to make sure that you don't have Overwolf running in the background. So just close Overwolf if you have it running in the background, and then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, you're going to write here reg edit, you're going to click yes on here, and then you're going to go into HKey local machine, and then you're going to go into software. You're going to scroll down, you're going to go into Microsoft, then you're going to scroll down again until you find system certificates, and just right click on auth root and then go into permissions, and here you need to scroll down until you find crypt svc. So just click on it and make sure it is set to full control allow, and then click advanced, and then you're going to click on to crypt svc again, and then you're going to click replace all child object permissions, and then you're going to click apply. Okay, close this menu up, click OK here as well, and then close reg edit. Go ahead and restart your computer, and once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Arc Raiders, you'll see that you will not get that fatal error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.